Y lagunok ongetorri lastotxapelen kanala, ongetorri Wild West Pioneers demo honen bigarren satira aurrekoan egon ginen egurra biltzen espedizioak egiten eta hori, eta orain egin barko genuken lehen da biziko gauza izango litzateke janaria ematea gure herritarrei, beraz, aurrera goaz.
Settlers need daily sustenance. Build a food shop so work can continue.
Vale, dao. Vale. Baritzen behar du apur bat egurra izan dezate. Ez dakit ona helduko zaion ala ez.
I'd really like to have an animal companion. Someone to keep me company when the days feel long.
Conforme. Eso esan nahi duzu.
It might be the hunger speaking, but I haven't eaten anything this good before.
Well, well. You're still alive. And you have a chance to repay me. Let's talk about it at Town Hall.
Vale. Vale.
There you go, partner. Looks like you're doing pretty well.
Oh, ez dakit nik.
Bill, you always know how to enter in style. What can I do for you?
Don't pretend you don't know why I'm here. I gave you money. I gave you people. I gave you a chance. And now, it's time to repay the debt.
And that's what's going to happen, Bill. You've invested in this city, and I am making it grow. Have a little patience, and you'll see.
I'm not interested in your stories of progress. I invested in this town, and now I'd like to resolve this in kind.
Understood. You will get the gold. If that's all, then, Vamoose, we have a lot of work ahead of us.
Yeah, that would be too easy to be true. But never mind. People like us wouldn't stay in one place for too long anyway, right? Let's gather our scouts and... Word travels fast out here. Keep the satisfaction in your settlement high for more folks to come.
People have a roof over their heads and food on the table, but they want more. Fulfill a few of their whims, and they will become happier.
Ea noraino eramaten gaituen kasu honek. Gara, aukera askorik ere ez daukagu.
So this is where the treasure is supposed to be. Let's start digging here where these stones are.
All right, grab a shovel and let's get to work.
What do you mean by take the shovel? You were supposed to take it. I could have taken Larry.
Urrerik ez dugu topatu. Ba, beno lagunak, hau izan da dena, espero gustoko zen zaizuela, horrengoan gehiago, agur.